local enterprises and turning the momentum of this evening into a tangible growth that uplifts communities and drives the economy of KwaZulu-Natal forward. To all the finalists here tonight, you are already winners. Your journeys inspire hope and remind us that with perseverance, anything is indeed possible. Let tonight be remembered not just for the awards we present, but for the future we ignite. Because when courage meets opportunity, there is no limit to what we can achieve. Ladies and gentlemen, as I end, let me also take the opportunity, Honorable Premier, to thank and acknowledge the esteemed partners who are KZN Economic Regulator Authority, Kakasi FM,